Good morning, my babies. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And happy Easter. Or the Easter treat, you know. Wanna get done on a fried fish, on a buy bun and cheese? Talk to me in the comment section. For me, no, I'm not buying no fish, me no fry no fish, me no nothing with no fish. The only thing that we did was to drop off bun and cheese. And that was about it. That's all. I don't really care for bun and cheese that much because one may have eczema, so I'm not supposed to eat cheese. Anyways, I still have the flu. No, just to get the flu. You know who I get the blame for that? Me. You probably wonder what me I do with them some here in my hand. Anyways, we will just get to it. So I have some cold bush. I made some yesterday. Still have some in the pot, so I'm gonna make it for me and Jason this morning. Like no, I'm gonna just add it up because now I think it's gonna be super strong since as it did a sit in the pot. So I got this one. I don't remember the name of this. I don't remember, but them said this is a good cold bush, and this Jack in the Bush I sent him. So I made some yesterday, one pot I ate with ginger, clove, the Jack in the Bush. This one, me I left out something. Ginger, clove, something. I have few stuff to get done this morning, like for change the sheet. So after we work on the flu and stuff like that, the sheet can be fresh and nice for tonight. And I'm gonna make some breakfast and we're gonna just do a few stuff and I'm gonna just take on through the day with me. So let's get right into it. I don't like my hairstyle. I make it red. Normally when I see it, I don't do nothing to my hair and I know it did I go knot up. So I'm just skin right in a 4. I like it. The only thing is that when I reach at the middle one, them not straight back. Them kinda like lap on the side here. See it? Lap on the side here because that's what I hold my hand. Anyways, let's get into the kitchen. Having guava leaf, ginger, Jack in the Bush, the other bush I did a show now, and clove. So I'm gonna just cover it up and make that go and do its thing. Alright. So I think I can throw off the tea now. I'm now gonna mix it with no sugar because it's not bitter. The best part, it's not bitter. This morning it tastes a little bit bitter. Now I can understand why it's bitter because it been a draw from yesterday. So I taste everything in it now. Yesterday I did a taste like the clove and the ginger, nice little taste, but this morning it is like medicine, like real medicine. Anyways, it's whatever. The saltfish I boiled, the water for the food, and we're gonna just get into breakfast. How you feel now?
Why? No, no, I feel so tired in me I sleep last night, but probably I should be sick.
You drink coffee tea?
Alright.
Okay. When the time I notice different. Come here, go cost you now. When you could tell me? When you could tell me, sir, so my head look big? No, me know my head did always big, you know. The camera just did bring out the bigness in my head. When this is the mountain of clothes behind me in the living room, fold that up dress and go come pack them in. Now I'm going to change the sheet on the bed. Because we've been a sweat from we wake up and we are cough up cold. Update with the team. Let me tell you something. You see the bush them I'm showing you, if you can find them, get them. If nobody around you have coal or you have coal, make the tea. Now, the only done part is that I have a whole heap of stuff in my tea. I have the clove, the ginger, the guava leaf, the jack in the bush, and the next one. You can bring back up the video and screenshot it and search for the bush there. So I can't tell you which one really get the job done or if all of them together just really work a miracle. But that tea there, bad. 15 minutes after I drink the tea, I end up vomit up coke tea, man. If you don't notice, somebody get quiet in the cooking part of the video, my stomach did feel upset because I feel like I never finish vomit. You don't ever get that feeling there? I never end up go back though, you know. But my stomach did just feel like, yeah, I need to get something else did I need to get up. But I been a cough up some cold, so that is a good update. So that tea there really work. I'm gonna drink one more cup soon. Then I'm gonna drink one more cup before I go to bed. Anyways, let us get into changing the sheet. Because I want tonight when we lay down, you know, we feel better. We not go back in the contaminated bed. Anyways, that's that. So I'm gonna just put them sheet in the machine and make them go and wash, and in the meantime I go bathe, and that's it for my Easter. This is all I do, nothing else. Hey, you know what I say? Today April 1st, you know. I wonder who make you a fool. Or don't bother. Don't do it or do it. One thing for do. Who make you a fool? I'm not even showing them my nails. They're so cute. Love them, Milan. Make you focus. See there. Ooh, pretty. So it's like a little light blue with the gold. Love it. Anyways, try trick Jason. I'll try and trick him. Not gonna make it last long, but me gonna call him. Him there in the back room, but we communicate with each other like this all the time. Especially when me want some water. Me call him, I say, "Here's some water, come give me." Anyways, I'm gonna trick him.
Yeah,
Jason.
huh?
You busy?
Yeah, man, it's Wednesday.
Just do you want to talk to you about something?
So I end up being a done call me.
I go good on my mommy.
For
Just I gotta spend some time. Just need a month away.
1 month.
Could be more, but I just I gotta say month for now.
1 month. I used to say I want to go for 1 month. How long?
Just out of it.
How that one?
Just need that. Just no need for the running right now. I just need some space from you.
Almost space in mind around this and around so.
I just no need to see you. That's the thing I keep on to see you.
I was waiting to keep on a city. All this.
That's the thing, everything I take for a joke.
I mean, I must have to take this for joke. You don't want to see me. Where this come from?
I'll go back to my mother.
Hold on, wait, what? You want to live back with Mr. T?
Yeah.
Oh, you miss them?
I should move out.
What? Move out? Out of everything over there you said. What you mean?
Just regret it because normally I would have to switch days with mommy when it's a cook. My mother just always cook.
So you just want your mother to always cook back for you?
Not only that, I shouldn't do it.
You do what? What you should do?
Move out.
That's what I'm saying. Why you should move out?
I'm not ready for this.
You ready for what?
To live with one man.
You live with a man 7 years to find out you're ready.
In 7 years we live together.
You live with a man 7 years to find out you're ready with a big man.
Yeah, I'm not ready.
No, man. Well, I'm some girl here for some girl around. Yo! Wait! What's there?
Still tell and you take you come around here. Imagine your girlfriend calling you.
Answer what?
She'll go through a lot.
You look at me and say,
They tell me I go through a lot. And you sit down around there and it's the same way.
Well, that I was talking to you on the phone. That's why they have to ramp with.
Yes, my camera end up lock off, but me just to come around here, me just to tell him say today April Fool, I may try to trick him. May I trick my mother then? May I go trick mommy? I should do trouble her. It's just a calling. I have that bridge here. No, I mean like strawberry bridge. Like vanilla. Mommy. May I come down and spend some time? Well, may I go with Jason? Jason there, but may I come down and spend some time?
Jason do I and Jason come?
Me alone, mommy.
So you live Jason go, you live with somebody who go colors get up at was you like. I left out when you feel like and sleep when you feel like. No, that's not right. Me not say I can't go spend, but if you come and say I can spend one night, then me not say, alright, no problem. But spend some time. Like how much time so?
I just need 2 weeks to breeze my head.
I must drink my pussy, please come around with you. Who got prank you at me? I'm not prank you at me. It's gonna ring.
Me not prank you, mommy. Me not.
Die. When I talk about it, when I two adults are communication is a key in a relationship, because I tell me part of me is about spend time. They never know what to do with me. I'm okay. What if I could not start about it to myself? Call me and I will come and help on through it. But if I want to spend time later, again.
Hey, guys, you see? Anybody from digital, me don't know if you now watch this. One thing me I ask you, please, don't make my phone ring like this. My dream. Tell her my dream is to no, please. May I beg you? That's it. Me not have nothing more for the entire day. I might just go live tonight and chat with you now. I go just end off now and edit up the video and give you now. Happy Easter Monday, guys. Big up on yourself. Really love and appreciate you now.